Want to verify your identity with Apple Pay? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, go ahead and launch Open Settings on your device. Once you have open settings, scroll down and find the option of Wallet and Apple Pay. Select that. Now you want to tap on the option of Apple Cash. If you haven't set that up, first of all, make sure to set that up. Once you have set that up, you want to tap on Verify Identity and press Continue. Now enter your legal name first and last, then tap Next. Provide your street address and zip code, then tap Next. Finally, input the last 4 digits of your social security number and your date of birth. Then tap on the Next option. Once completed, your identity will be successfully verified with Apple Pay. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.